Welcome to Unit 7. This unit is all about the things you love. Let's see some of my favourites. I'm a big sports fan. I love tennis and golf very much, but my favourite sport is swimming. I also love music. R&B is my favourite. Rihanna, Bruno Mars, Beyonce. What is your favourite music? Do you like Italian food? In this unit you will read about a fantastic Italian chef and his favourite things. If you like shopping for old things, you will love the video about Alfie's antique market. What's the opposite of old? How about the opposite of hot? In vocabulary, we will look at adjectives to describe people and things. You will also learn how to write a holiday email in English. How do you ask for a cup of coffee or a train ticket in English? Everyday English has some very useful expressions to use in town. Mr. Class? Go online to learn and practice. Have fun! See you soon!